What's up, stock investors? I'm Mike the Investor, helping you invest in yourself by sharing my investing journey and inspiration. Now, in this video, we're going to be diving into my $600 stash invest portfolio, where I'm currently down over 28% due to the stock market crash. Now, at the end of this video, I'm going to be making a live purchase, so be sure to stay to the end of the video so you don't miss it. And if this is your first time checking out the channel, be sure to click that subscribe button so that way you don't miss any more portfolio updates, and smash that like button for me. It really helps out the channel and it lets me know you all appreciate the content that I'm putting out. Now let's dive into the video. Alright, welcome back to the channel. Now we are on my Stash Invest platform. As you can see, my portfolio value is $612.45, where you can see I am down 28.28%, which is $241.53. So now we're going to go ahead and dive into the portfolio here, and you can see the total amount I have invested is $853.98. So this portfolio has seen extreme losses due to the current stock market crash and all of the current news that is going on worldwide. Now, this is a higher risk portfolio due to some of the holdings that I currently have. Now we're gonna go ahead and scroll down and start to look at my positions here. As you can see, I still have my $15 going into my Stash Invest portfolio every single week, which comes out to about $60 every single month, which definitely adds up over time. Now, the first position here in the portfolio will be Comcast. They have a 2.69% dividend yield. Comcast is still super solid in my opinion. We're going to scroll down here to the position, and the stock market had a pretty nice rally due to some of the news that was released to the public. And as we look at my position here, I have 4.13 shares, and I'm currently down 21.41%, which is $39.02, and it is 23% of my portfolio. And as we look at Comcast's last price, it is at $34.64. They were up 1.38% during market hours, and their year to date, they are down 23.29%. The next position here in the portfolio will be Facebook. Now, this is a extremely large growth stock here. They do not pay a dividend, so that's why you see the 0.0% dividend yield. And I believe Facebook is extremely undervalued. I believe they are not going anywhere, and they still have a lot of cash on hand due to, the stock market crash, businesses closing, everything that's currently going on. So as we look at my number of shares, you can see it is 0.76. I'm currently down 17.24%, which is $25.82. As we move down to look at their performance, Facebook last price $160.98. They were up 8.7% during market hours, which is pretty good. And their year to date, they are still down 23.26%. And Facebook, I'm actually going to be making a small purchase into this position at the end of the video to get my first full share in Facebook. So be sure to watch this to the end so you can see that purchase made live. The next position in the portfolio would be Keurig Dr. Pepper. This is a consumer staple company, very solid. They have a 2.59% dividend yield. Very solid company in my opinion, the third largest soft beverage company here in the US. And my position here, you can see I have 5.09 shares. I'm currently down 16.12%, which is $23.40. As we move on down to their performance, their last price $23.89. They were up 3.06% during market hours, which is pretty good. And you can see they are still down 16.88% year to date. The next position in the portfolio will be Ford. Now, Ford is a consumer discretionary in the automotive industry, and you can see this dividend yield almost 15%, 14.96%, which is absolutely insane. Now, Ford, I have not been investing in this company for quite some time. I'm hoping to break even on this company, even though they have a really nice dividend yield. You can see I have a total of 20.15 shares. I'm currently down 44.09%, which is $78.53. So you can see I am down quite a bit on this position here. As we move down to their performance, you can see Ford's last price $4.94. Their one-day change 23.19%, which is extremely high for just one day. So they had a really good rally, which I believe Ford definitely needs it. And as we look at their year to date, you can see they are still down 46.65%. The next position in the portfolio would be corporate cannabis, the MJ ETF, also known as Alternative Harvest, and we look at their dividend yield 10.42%. Now this ETF does have a higher dividend yield and they have a 0.75% expense ratio. So now we look at the position here, you can see I have a total of 7.06 shares. I'm currently down 19.92%, which is $18.31. And as we look at their performance here, we can see their last price $10.42. Their one-day change, they were up 8.54%, which is pretty good. And their year to date, they are still down 37.68%. The next position in the portfolio will be Aurora Cannabis. Now these two positions are the ones that I have allocated to the cannabis industry. This is a growth stock, as you can see, 0.0% dividend yield. Now Aurora Cannabis, they have been having some interesting headlines up and down, making investors scratch their head, but I'm going to hold on to this position. It's not a large position, but it's big enough to see a decent amount of capital appreciation. So as we get ready to look at my position here, you can see I have a total of 50.45 shares. I'm currently down 58.99%, which is $51.54. And as we look at their historical performance here, you can see their current price is 71 cents. Their one-day change, they were up 4.37%, which is not bad. And as we go over to their year-to-date, they are still down 64.85%. Moving on down to the last position in the portfolio, Berkshire Hathaway. Now this company does not need any introduction. Warren Buffett's company, even though this is the smallest position here in the portfolio, this is an extreme growth company, 0.0% dividend yield, a conglomerate company. They own a lot of different companies and own a lot of pieces and a lot of large companies as well. And for my number of shares, 0.08, I'm currently down 17.01%, which is $2.98. And as we move on down to the historical performance, their current last price, $178.34. Their one-day change, they were up 10%, which is really good. And their year-to-date, they're currently down 21.91%. So those are all 7 holdings here in my Stash Invest portfolio. And as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, we're going to go ahead and make that purchase as I told you I would. We're going to go into Facebook here. And as we look at my position, I currently have 0.76 shares, and I'm going to go ahead and purchase $40, which would give me 1 full share. It's going to make this purchase when the market opens tomorrow morning. So we're going to hit 40 here, and then we're going to hit the continue, and then we're going to hit make a one-time purchase, and then we're going to hit my Chase Bank total checking, place order, and now purchasing $40 of Facebook, which will be available come tomorrow morning. So now we're going to hit the exit button here. So now I have a pending transaction for this investment. So I'm really looking to add more into Facebook and into the MJ ETF. I believe they have extremely, high potential as far as capital appreciation. And I'm trying to get a piece of that as my portfolio starts to recover. So that is how my portfolio is performing during the stock market crash. Now, if you like the Stash Invest platform, go ahead and click the link down in the description. You'll get a free $20 to start investing in this platform, and you could take advantage of some of these great prices here in the stock market. Now, hopefully you all enjoyed this video and gained some value from it. If you did, go ahead and smash that like button for me. It really helps out the channel, and it lets me know you all appreciate the content that I'm putting out. And be sure to click that subscribe button as well, so that way you don't miss any more portfolio updates. I'm Mike the Investor. Remember to stay inspired, stay motivated, invest in yourself, and I will see you guys back next time.